You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this artificial intelligence correctly. This is a name from French originally, so the French pronunciation is as Claude. Claude, alright? It's not cloudy. I know it looks like it should be cloudy, maybe. So in English, it's often pronounced, especially the British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK and other countries like Australia, Canada, Claude, alright? Now, the Americans, more specifically, quite often pronounce it as Claude, alright? Claude, with a more open R sound. So both pronunciations, I guess, are correct, although Claude is way closer to the French pronunciation. So Claude is a little bit better, but Claude is the American pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.